As we talk, there's a pause in the war in Iran, but as a result of the war, energy prices are up and inflation is up. Do you worry about something called a recession happening?
I worry about a lot of potential states of the world that will be difficult for the Stanford endowment, but I try to remember that, what's the great Yogi Berra quote, making predictions is difficult, especially about the future.
Right.
So I try to remember to have a sense of humility about my personal ability to predict recessions and things like that. I think it's a good thing to worry about, and I think there's a chance that we will have another recession, but it's not a certainty.
Now, do you worry about the fact that the U.S. economy or the U.S. government has an enormous amount of debt, big deficits?
I would draw a distinction between understanding the macro environment and understanding the various states of the world and putting some rough probability to the fact that they might actually come to fruition in the future and having a view about something. We try not to make predictions that we know what's going to happen in the macroeconomic world 12 months or 24 months from now, but understanding what could evolve and how it will impact our portfolio and the opportunity set and what we might do in response is really, really important.
And today at Stanford, what is the biggest pressure that you face? Is it getting the rates of return that are a couple points over your peers' rates of return?
Yeah, I mean, I think that's always nice to do, better than the average endowment does over long periods. That's one measure of success. But really, it's how do you take a $50 billion portfolio and be competitive with groups that are managing less money than you, because it gets harder as you get bigger. But also the world is evolving very, very fast and in very unusual ways right now with AI and to some extent, this incredible interconnected world is beginning to, I don't want to overstate it, but it's beginning to fragment a little bit and balkanized a little bit. That's changing the way that businesses work. It's changing the way investors need to think. So there's a big challenge right now in how you update your mental model for the investment opportunity set, and particularly because of AI, but for other reasons.